All right, today we're going to bring two storage trunks, and I just want you to see how large they are. Now, first of all, they give you the wheels separately and also the stand for this device, all right? So you're going to have to put this separately. They give you that. And then this was embedded in here, wall foam, so we'll move around. Now, it has like a swave touch in here, extra pockets on the top. So my recommendation, use it for storage, your memorabilia, your collectibles. I'm gonna use it for that. Now, the inside has a little bit more of the foam parts. If you have anything fragile, this is perfect for that. Now, it has the extra security area so the system will come down hard on you. The handles have grips, great grips, all around rivets, so gonna keep you nice and secure. Perfect for our collectibles. We're gonna use this to actually store some of our collectibles. At the same time, they give you a lock system, right? This is a three-way lock system, including a combination lock with keys included, in case you have to travel with it or take some storage with it. Now, they give you thorough instructions on how to set this up, how to load it up. So we are gonna set it up so you guys can see the final result. To install the legs, there's 3 screws you gotta do. You don't have to worry about inside, but just make sure they follow through. So that one's nice and tight, and then 2 more here, and then we have to do the same thing we did here. We got them set up already. I like that they're heavy duty. Right now I have some stuff in here, but if you want to travel with your camera equipment, your collectibles, it's perfect. They have a key for the center one, all right, combination lock. So we have 2, all right, that come in. Pretty durable. These don't have the handle, all right? They only have one handle, and that's pretty much the top, right? So we're gonna put this on the side, but this one is for heavier duty. There's wheels in here. You could use it as a luggage. You could use it for your memorabilia, or maybe if you're selling stuff on the field or vendor, you want to carry your merchandise. It's a pretty safe thing to do. Each corner has aluminum, well secure in here. It's reinforced with kind of like cardboard mixed with plastic and other items. So I like that it has plenty of handles. Security is not the greatest on these, to be honest with you. I would recommend you get your own lock, and combination and locks are just another preventative to having your bags broken into. It might save you some time, but these things are pretty heavy to move around if you load it up. If you want to set up things in the attic to last you quite a while,